Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today we had amazing volatility in the market and beautiful analysis and bank beautiful pips today. And today is 24th of February, Wednesday 2021, and let's dig into the system and let me share with you today's trading activities, and I will also show you yesterday trades open, how we manage it today, and we will also discuss tomorrow high probability opportunities. So let's dig into the system. So just quick recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording instantly available in the training session, as you can see, twice a day, and all that analysis instantly broadcast in the analysis section. And once the opportunity is raised based on this analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live IG commentary and also in the analysis section. So based on the intraday analysis, you can see my traders bank 263 pips, and I believe some of the trades are still open and still is in profit. So we will discuss about the open position and close position. Let's dig into the three major pairs, and let's see the opportunity we discussed yesterday and how we managed to bank profit on those opportunities. And let's move on to the tomorrow high probability opportunities. Okay, Euro USD, let's see what's happening here. Okay, so Euro USD yesterday, as I mentioned you, we were looking this breakout, and we did take a short trade and we banked some profit as soon as the price hit. So right now, that's what we did. I'll show you those trades in a minute. And right now, if you look at here, let me clean this one. You can see the price broken after the breakout, price retest, and price could not maintain the previous low. That's the good sign. And we're expecting a pullback long. And if the price gonna break this trend resistance, then probably gonna be taking a long trade. So, but if you look at here nicely, price developing it, forming it another downside channel, which is technically, it looks like, give me a feeling of bull flag pattern. If the price gonna break, we'll let you know tomorrow. But as an intraday trader, we always trade in our intraday system. So for example, here you can see here, this is the level which previously price broken and retest. This is, we taken a short trade today based on the momentum. So if you're going to take a long trade, the best way we look at if the price is going to be retest or develop a pullback based on the momentum. You can see it previously like this type of pullbacks, then we will consider an high probability and safest trade, and that's what exactly we're looking at. So we'll keep you updated tomorrow about these opportunities, and let's move on to the pound. We had a beautiful trade this morning. Okay, so you can see here all these analysis, beautiful analysis we had it. Okay, let's move on to the 4-hour. Let's see what, if you look at the yesterday, as I mentioned you, yes, so if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review alongside with the opportunities as discussed, please watch. The video link is also given in the video description. So yesterday we were expecting this breakout was performed, and we were looking a pullback which is performed. So Asian session traders bank beautiful pips, and we had a very nice short trade this morning. And once the price developed, you can see inside candle pattern, bearish inside candle pattern, I think around 10 a.m. in the morning when this candle performed. Then we explained to traders, now we should be taking a short trade, pullback short trade. And we took all these pullback short trades, beautiful pips. You can see here all these pullback short trades, beautiful, which is I'm going to show you in a minute. So right now, what happened, you can see if the price going to stay above 141,000 area, which looked like is price respected it, then tomorrow probably going to be taking a pullback long here. And if the price going to break this trend support and this level, then short trade here. So far we can see some prices nicely respecting 141,000 area. So as always, we're going to be going in our intraday system. You can see here price develop here, sideways market. You can see here previous price action. You can see the price broken and could not maintain this level. False breakout, good sign. So what we're looking, momentum is developing bullish. So what we're looking here, if you look at here, we're looking at another pullback. You can see here price broken here. Safest way for us to look for another pullback, and tomorrow we'll let you know if the price gonna stay above as we seen in 4 hour. Then we're probably gonna be taking a pullback long here, and if the price gonna break this 200 EMA in our intraday system, then it's gonna be more fun. We're gonna be taking a pullback long. So we'll keep you updated tomorrow about this analysis. Okay, so dollar CAD, we had amazing trades dollar CAD, and I believe the trader still holding short on dollar CAD. As I mentioned yesterday, if the price gonna break, if the price stay above this weekly, yesterday was support level, so we're gonna be taking long, otherwise a short. So we can see here, yesterday we had already one short trade was opened, which more traders banked beautiful pips when the price nicely hit this level, made a 35 pips on this one. Right now, if you look at here, so price even broken this support trend line, we can see very strong bearishness. So based on that, another possibility, price might gonna come back and hit and develop pullback. Then we're taking a pullback short trade here. If the price stay below, then we're always looking at pullback short trade in our intraday system, which you can see here. Like we have this pullback as based on the momentum. We recently just had another pullback short trade here. So that's what exactly we're looking into it. We'll let you know tomorrow about dollar CAD. All right, so let's talk about the open positions. Let's talk about 263 pips. This 98 pips, that was the long pound Swiss franc, was open yesterday. And I also showed you guys yesterday, my trader, he was looking to hit this target, and as soon as the price hit 128,000, around 128,000 area, his profit target hit, and he was so greedy, he was looking at another short trade here, which I mentioned don't take it, but you can see here he mentioned he took a short trade here as soon as the profit target hit. And what happened? Price spike it and hit his stop loss 35 pips. So you can see here he banked in 98, but he lost 35, but he managed it. This another what trade was the pound yen. He nicely hit like 43 pips on this one. And this dollar CAD, this trade was open yesterday, as I showed you guys. So he banked beautiful 35 pips. So he managed it. So today basically we were short on pound dollar, pound Swiss franc, and so last trade I think he made it pound yen. This was the trade based on this analysis. This was he take another pullback short trade here, bank 21 and 14 pips, and then he took another short trade on dollar CAD. Let me share with you the pound yen trade. This was the analysis which we mentioned around at the New York session. He took a short trade. Afterwards he took another pullback, bank beautiful pips, 14 and 21 pips, and then he opened another two trades on dollar CAD, which one based on this analysis. You can see here, which we explained to trader, and he took short trade here and bank 10 pips on this one. I believe he's still holding another trade and stop loss at the break even. So let's see how that's gonna go. So far I banked 263 pips, still one trade is open. We'll let you know about this trade situation tomorrow. All right, so let me share with you the analysis of all these three pairs, and let's see here. Okay, so let me make it bigger. Euro USD, pretty straightforward. This morning consolidation breakout, take a short trade, and all these pullback based on the momentum. At the New York session, we also mentioned, guys, because the price was at the 200 EMA in 4 hour, as I mentioned you guys. So we took another pullback at the New York session, bank few more pips. So technically this morning we short, but now we are expecting long on Euro USD. Let's see how it's gonna go tomorrow. Okay, so pound dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the trade, as I mentioned you. I did analysis, you can see around the 10 p.m. London time. We did for the Asian session. Obviously, I don't trade Asian session, but at that time price nicely moved. I mentioned traders to consider stop loss, and later on you have seen the very good nice spike and price nicely hit 142,000 area, and the traders bank beautiful pips. So this morning, and that was the analysis we did around about, update of this analysis. This was the pretty straightforward. As I mentioned you in 4 hour, let me share with the 4 hour. Let me share with you the 4 hour. Let me explain to you guys. So you can see here 4 hour. Once we have this taken all this pullback, so that's the pullback. So you can see here, that's the pullback broken, and afterwards you can see here around, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback, based on the momentum. So that's why we do it. We check the 4 hour based on that beautiful short trade, and this was the New York session analysis. Look for another pullback. You can see 1, 2, 3, 3 more pullbacks in New York session, and we, as soon as the price develop another pattern, you can see here, because we constantly continuously monitoring the pairs. So you can see here another beautiful pullback, breakout, and another one pullback short trade on pound dollar. We had such a beautiful trades, pound dollar today, and dollar CAD pretty straightforward. This was the analysis from last night. While I've showed you guys that we were looking at short trade here, you can see here price nicely developed pullback short, and that trader bank beautiful pips on 35. This was the analysis at the New York session. We were expecting a pullback long here, but the price refused to break this orange EMA. Beautiful, and still holding short on dollar CAD. Yes, the best trade we had it pair was pound Swiss franc. You can see here after the breakout counter short trade, and beautiful pullback, 1, 2, 3, beautiful short trade here. And we also had this one at the New York session. Traders were expecting a long, but I said no, we should be trading what we see it, not what we think. So price nicely developed and bank beautiful pips. So we had a beautiful pips. Let me share with you the pound yen. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, pound yen this morning. You can see here this was a pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, pullback, and this one another at the New York session, another beautiful breakout, and after the breakout, pullback short trade. So you can see here that we were short on cable this morning, bank beautiful pips. As you can see that traders bank amazing pips. Still one of the trades still open and still going out. This was the dollar CAD, and we expecting the price might gonna hit to the red fib channel. And look at here, such a beautiful short trade we had it. So all right guys, so I hope you, because there's too many analysis, I just showed you these ones, but if you would like to see all that analysis, all the analysis pairs in real time with a live audio commentary, or even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training. As I said to you, my objective is to train people with the live market where they can see it, all that analysis in real time. They have the opportunity, traders have the opportunity to discuss the opportunity with analysts and see how basically I help my traders, how they're trading for me. And we also provide funding, trading funds to the successful trader. That's what we do it. We provide live coaching and training and find the good traders and invest them. So even if you are having a challenges in your trading, you can develop your trading skill very effectively, or even you are experienced trader. This is all about price action trading, simple price action trading, and you definitely is going to enjoy, and you're going to bank all that pips alongside with over traders. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and have a nice evening. Stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.